Tapos nakita ko yung reaction ni Bawang. Hanapin natin siya. Tuwan-tuwa siya kay Chelsea. Grabe yung palakpak niya, nakakaloka. Talagang titig na titig siya kay Chelsea. Nasaan mo yun? Hindi ko lang. Hindi ko lang. Wait lang. Ayan, 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 ayan. Tignan niya. Wait lang, hindi kumain. Ayan si Bawang. Grabe yung ano niya kay Chelsea. Ayan, oo. O, diba? Kanina grabe yung palakpak niya. Grabe yung titig niya. Malayo na. Ay, grabe. Nakakaloka. Ikaw na talaga, Chelsea. Winner, boom. Pasabog. Ganyan. Galing.
So inyong nakita at napanood mga kapolitika itong naging reaksyon ni Bawang ang CEO ng Miss Cosmo 2025. So inyong napanood yung kanyang reaksyon na kung saan ay pumalakpak talaga siya. At kuha pa doon sa video na nakangiti itong CEO ng nasabing beauty competition. So ating pag-uusapan in this video kung ano nga ba ang maging impact or posibleng maging kinalabasan ng kompetisyon ni Chelsea Fernandez dito sa Vietnam. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe kayo mga kapolitika dito sa ating YouTube channel para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. So inyong napanood mga kapolitika na nakangiti at nakapalakpak itong si Bawang, katulad ito doon sa kanyang reaction last year. So hindi ko lang alam kung binubola niya ang mga Pilipino kasi alam na kukunan siya ng litrato or ng video at ipapakita yon, ipapakalat sa atin na mga Pinoy para kunwari matuwa tayo dito sa kanyang nag-reaksyon. Pero I totally believe naman na legit yung kanyang reaksyon mga kapolitika dito sa naging performance ni Chelsea Fernandez kasi kahit sino naman ang tatanungin ay masasabi talaga na stand out ang kanyang naging performance. So according nga dito sa inilabas na impormasyon ay nasa top 1 itong si Chelsea Fernandez pagdating sa evening gown, and then pang-apat siya doon sa kanilang swimsuit competition. So ewan ko na lang kung hindi pa makapasok itong si Chelsea dito sa kanilang tinatawag na top 5 dahil sa sobrang lakas ng kanyang performance. So yun mga kapolitika ang mga pinaka-latest na update at even sa mga international na mga pageant expert, mga international na mga vloggers ay pinag-uusapan po itong performance ni Chelsea Fernandez dahil napakalakas at talagang napakapasabog nung ipinakita niya. So inaabangan rin ng ating mga netizen ang kanyang red lipstick dito sa kailang finals dahil yun ang hinahanap ng mga netizen mga kapolitika. So kung kayo po ang tatanungin ano po ang inyong masasabi or maging opinion dito sa naging reaksyon ni Bawang kay Chelsea Fernandez na kung saan is nakangiti siya habang pumapalakpak dito sa ating manok sa Miss Cosmo 2025. Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Okay guys, let's have a look at Miss Cosmo Philippines, Chelsea Fernandez overall performance today during the Miss Cosmo jury session. Starting off with the evening gown segment, I love how she walked on, smiling with the audience, engaging with the audience. Oh Oh my goodness, guys. Beautiful introduction. I love the coy little look that she gave us right there. But guys, can we talk about her gown? Her gown, when she came out in that gown. The gown is a Leo Amado literal masterpiece. Guys, this is a work of art. The dragon. I cannot imagine the amount of work that it took to make this gown. This was my favorite gown for today. 100%, no doubt about it, guys. This is my number one gown for today, for sure. The different textures and layers on the gown, the detailing that looks like scales for the dragon head. Oh, I can't deal. Her evening round performance was definitely one of the best that we saw today. She was super elegant, poised, graceful like a swan. Beautiful, guys. She projects so well. She looked stunning on that stage. Swimsuit round, she did just as well. First of all, guys, the body. She's an excellent physique, okay? Her turns were smooth. The walk was giving, guys. I know some people wanted her to do more in the swimsuit round, but she did okay. She did okay, guys. I really enjoyed her performance, her confidence, her stage presence. For me, she's definitely in the top 5 for this year's edition of Miss Cosmo. Remember, guys, I'm still going to do my top 20 prediction after the prelims. I'm also going to give my top 20 best evening gowns. This is definitely one of my best evening gowns and one of my best overall performances for sure.